In front of me is Xiaomi POCO M4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first, let's open some area where you can input a language. Just click on Start Chat if it's about messages, and here you can see the language that we've got currently set, so you can smoothly write. And if you would like to change the language, just tap on Settings icon, select Languages, click on Add Keyboard, and then select the one that you would like to apply. Let me choose, for example, Russian, because the change would be more visible. Then remove unnecessary language, go back, and that's it. As you can see now, you can smoothly write in Russian. So this is it. That would be all. So you can change keyboard dictionary. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.